Hi, my friends. Welcome to Auntie No's Kitchen. And for those of my friends that are returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yay! And to those of you that are browsing through, I hope you stop and stick around for a while. And to all of you, hit that like and subscribe button. You know, if you choose to, really helps my channel. But we're bringing up the real, guys. We're on our final leg of grill day, okay? So now we're going to make these baked beans. Yes, these famous baked beans coming from my husband. Yes, you know, the landmark baked beans. So I will get into the story and the history of these baked beans from my husband's side, okay? So I would get started, give Auntie a moment because everything got set up, and we will get to baking these Smithsonian Institute baked beans. Okay, what you would need is one chopped onion, one medium chopped onion, that is, 2 cups of brown sugar. It's 2 cups of packed dark brown sugar, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. That's combined in here, my friends. Two tablespoons of mustard, 4 cans of Van Camp's baked beans. Van Camp, don't use anything else but Van Camp's. These are 15-ounce cans, so you will need 4, and they need to be drained. Put them in a strainer and drain them. They have to be drained. Very important that you drain them, okay? Now, if you only want to use 2 cans, then you will have this recipe, okay, my friends? But definitely make sure that you drain your beans and get Van Camp. Okay, first what we're going to do, we're going to get our ingredients. Have to make sure that they get all good and in there. As soon as I find my this have to do for now. Gonna get my ketchup in here. Brown sugar. You're gonna break your brown sugar up and make sure that gets incorporated well with the ketchup. And I'm gonna tell you a little history about these Smithsonian Institute baked beans. Okay, me and my husband first met during our dating, while we were dating. Oh my goodness, all he used to talk about with these doggone baked beans. Oh, these baked beans were the best thing since heaven. Oh, these baked beans, oh, my grandmother's baked beans. And I said, baked beans aren't that special to me. So, you know, after we were married, I got to taste these famous baked beans that his grandmother made. Because, you know, me and her bonded over cooking. Yes, me and Miss Olive, we really bonded over cooking. Because she loved to cook like I do. And my goodness, these beans almost made me go crazy and want to slap my mama and my grandmama, even though I risked my own life in thinking of doing that. These things, they are, I kid you not, they are really good. And this recipe is probably about 70 years old, but they are really, really good. And so you should really try this recipe and give me feedback, and you will understand what the rave is about these things, and only two people make them. Me and his mother. So you have to make sure all that sugar is dissolved around in here. Oh, and you're going to need 3 to 6 strips of bacon. You can take 6 strips of bacon. 3 strips of bacon and break them in half. You can take them and line them long ways. 3 strips of bacon. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Worcestershire sauce liquid and the mustard, 2 tablespoons of mustard. Stir this up really well. Can't do things when you cook, because if you do something, it's gonna mess up the entire dish. Okay, and now I'm gonna add my onion. My friend Cece Biscuit, she's Nigeria, and when she says onion, she'll go onion, my dear, onion. I just love to hear her say when she says onion. She go onion, onion. Okay, everything is well blended in here. Now I'm going to get the bacon. I'll be right back. I'm back with the bacon. I make these beans so much when it gets during the spring and the summer. So what I do, I just buy packs of bacon and then I just cut it up. And then I just label these little packets, bacon for baked beans. Yeah, y'all know Auntie don't like to touch meat with her hands. It just made my skin crawl to touch raw meat with my hands. And my son is the same way. He is the exact same way. Sorry, son, I did that to you. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour, and I'll see you guys then. Hey my friends, we're back. I'm taking the bacon out of here because I discard that. I discard the bacon. Yep, get rid of that. I just tossed that in the trash. And as you see, there. And he's been waiting all day. I'm telling you, he's been waiting all day. But it hasn't stopped him from going into those ribs, though. I said, you keep eating the ribs, you won't have any left for your beans. But he'll eat these by himself. He gets a bowl. He eats them like cereal. So I'm going to take these. Well, I thought I was going to take these. And I'm going to get them in a bowl. So they just came out of the oven, but the rim is not hot. So I'm going to pour these into this bowl here. And leave the remnants for him, because he's my husband is just like a kid when it comes to these beans. Okay, as you all can see, look at that. Look at all that goodness. Can you see that? Look at all that goodness around here. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Heck, I wish I could eat them. I wish I could eat them. I used to eat them. Wish I could eat them now. Hold on, my friends. I took them myself. Thank you guys for joining in and helping prep these Smithsonian Institute baked beans. I hope, I'm telling you, I know you really like them. I haven't met anyone that didn't like them. They love them. So I hope you make these for you, your family, and friends, especially for this upcoming holiday, which is the 4th of July. They'll be a crowd pleaser. And like I said, they're really, really good. That recipe is really good. So until my next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Thank you for all your... Thank you for all of your support for my channel. Until then, hit that like button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.